Give her a treat. Look, she's not. You can't control her when she's outside.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Oh my gosh. You're stepping all over your leash. Ma'am. Hi, ma'am. Your leash is not. Okay. No, okay. This way, this way. This way. Come here. Come here, come here. This way, come here. Go. Go, go. Oh, the dog.
Just a little dog there. Oh, carry her.
Oh.
It's okay, it's okay. Are you scared? Ah.
Oh, she's
Are you
scared.
so scared?
Wait. Our puppy's scared. Get away. Do.
Ay.
It's okay, Luna.
Let's go somewhere. Ay. She's scared.
Can I put her down?
Nah.
No, she's not barking. No, it's okay, Luna. Let's go. You want these? Let's go.
Oh.
Ah.
You okay? It's okay.
Pepper. Come on, let's go. Pepper. You wanna say hi, Luna?
Nah, don't bring it down.
No. Pepper, let's go. R. Ah, da. Ah, pew, pew. It's
You okay? Are you okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You have a whisker now.
Luna, come here. Should we get her a stick? Oh, she likes to leave.
Oh,
She wants to leave.
yeah. Hey, where you going?
This way.
Oh, you want to go to the grass?
Oh, yeah. Where do you want to go? Where are you going? Missy,
Oh, she is golden in this.
Missy, you're beautiful. Come here. This way. You go home? Ay.
Luna, where you going now?
Girl, come on. Luna, come here. Come here, Luna. I think she's supposed to other dog, that's why.
No.
She hear a person. You wanna go home?
Is that Roberto's chihuahua?
Is it?
Yeah, those chihuahuas are nasty.
Wait,
I
don't
mean,
go in the mud, please.
hey, don't bite any of those worms. Hey, get out, get out.
Ay. Luna.
Give me that. I'll hold this for you.
No, I have to do it when she's beside because I'm holding the. Luna, look. Luna. She's not even paying attention to the picture. She just wants to leave. Yeah. Come on, you're almost there. No, not that way. Oh my god.
Hey, Luna, come
That's
here.
her shadow. That's her shadow. Let's go.
Come here.
Come here.
You're so hyper. Okay, I
Let's go,
think we'll
Luna.
end.
Oh yeah.
Oh, oh.
Where should we go?
I think
Luna.
just here, just up to here.
No, she's not cold. She's having the time of her life. Luna, come here. That's not treats.
Okay,
No.
Luna, can you sit?
Luna. I have a treat in my hand. Can you not smell? That's not a treat. That's a leaf. No.
Is that your prized possession now?
Don't eat those. No.
You can't really eat those. Oh, look at these maple leaves.
Where should we go? Oh, she's a squirrel.
She can't
A
bite
squirrel?
any of those squirrels. Ay, Luna. Can you please sit?
No, she's gonna get dirty here.
Luna?
Luna. Aya. Luna, look. Aya. Look. Luna.
Luna? Can you please
No,
sit?
she's too busy with the leaves. You should have.
Sit. Sit.
Luna, sit. Luna. Luna.
She's
Don't
so
eat those. Can you sit? Good girl. Good girl.
How should we teach her to leave it? That's the most important one when we're
We'll
outside.
have to do that inside.
Yeah, leave it.
Is it okay, Luna? Let's go.
Bam. Today's an exciting day,
Can
no?
you run in circles?
Yeah, you can.
Luna, come back.
Patu.
Luna, come here.
What are you doing?
My toes.
Where are you going? Luna! Luna, come here!
Luna,
Hey.
come here. Luna, come here.
Luna!
Aya.
What is she scared of?
She wants to take it off.
You can't though.
Aya. Give me that leaf. Dar.